Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your eyelashes color for free without custom makeup and the Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to go to the dressing room and then we're going to apply eyelashes. Okay, you can go to the codes item and then you can apply this eyelashes and go to the toggle. And as you can see, we have 3 new toggles here. For example, I'm going to choose this toggle and then I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to go to the palette and then I'm going to apply this color or this one. Okay, let me apply this color. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change eyelashes color in the Dress to Impress Battle update. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!